this is recording is going on, but I don't want to record, so stop recording. Okay, now do you find a piece of paper in front of you? There are some English alphabets and symbols written. Do they make some sense to you? So in short, you have to play with 4 formula in this chapter. Okay, so today it's you can read a question. There are so many questions and there are blanks at the bottom. That means this question you will read and solve, and you will share your answer with me. You have to choose out of this 4 any one formula. Start with example number 1. I am not able to see them. Yeah. Okay. So can you solve first example? Zero 0.4 second. Okay. Which formula you used? I'll give you zeroth formula, first formula, second or third. 0. Now what told you to use 0 only? Why can't I use this formula? Yes. So that was simple, right? Solution could be, you have to write given. What is given? V equal to 5 meter per second. There is no V0 or V because uniform velocity. Okay. Distance is 2 meter. Now we know V equal to d by t. Therefore t equal to d by v. And distance is 2 by 5. Answer is 0.4. How would you find it? So you can, if I multiply by 20, in denominator I'll get 100. Yes or no? So if I'm dividing by 20, I have to multiply with 20. 20 2s are 40. Now 40 by 100 is 0.4. Unit is second. Right. So actually it was 2 by 5 division, but I got an answer with the help of multiplication. Okay, sir? Okay. Now second. Okay. I'm not judging the answer right now, right or wrong. All of you, I want you to try to solve. Okay. 15. Okay. Again you have to start with standard practice. What is given? So acceleration equal to 5 meter per second square. No issue with that. But it starts from rest. It means initial velocity is 0. And there is the word uniform acceleration, no? And that means out of these 4, these 3 formula should work for me. Okay. Find its velocity. So it is understood that you are asked to find final velocity. It is not explicitly written that find final velocity, but what is written? Find its velocity after 3 seconds. Okay. Now time is 3 seconds. How you will solve it now? Which formula you will? You have to find velocity first. V equal to V0 plus at. Therefore V equal to V0 is 0, acceleration is 5 and time is 3. Therefore V equal to 15. Unit should be meter per second. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now third. $75 meter per second square. Okay, so let's solve it. See, physics is not something which you can read and understand, and I believe that when I told you start solving, all of you were solving. Okay, so let me give it a try. Okay, Aryan, share your answer with me. You can show it on the screen. And all of you switch on your camera. Aryan, am I audible? You can share. Okay. You show your camera. First of all, you start your camera. Okay. Now have you written the answer? Okay. Now show your answer in camera. Okay. See, this is a wonderful way of losing mark with correct understanding. What now he is writing V equal to U plus AT. It should have started from first. Where is given? Okay. Okay. Om, you start your camera and let me see. You कैमरा क्यों बंद कर दिया? Let's make a rule now. In the beginning of session, you will tell your camera is working or not, and then where is yes, let me pin your video. Can you take your book little back? It is so close. Take it backward, away from your mobile. It's not seen clearly. Never mind. Hmm. Okay. Uh, how many of you have written like this? First given, it is uniform acceleration a equal to 3 meter per second square, traveling with 10 meter per second. So what should be its subject? v0. 5 second, so that is time t. Final velocity, that is v. So v equal to v0 plus at. Therefore v equal to 10 plus acceleration is 3 and time is 5. Therefore v equal to 10 plus 15. Therefore v equal to 25 meter per second. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now here, slowly I am making your task little difficult. Solve it. One 160 kilometer per hour square. Okay, one of the answer. What is another one? Only few are trying. Is it not like that? Okay, let's start. Given, what is given? v0 is 5 kilometer per hour. V final speed becomes 45 kilometer per hour. Time taken is 15 minutes. Now there is an issue. Here time is, so this can be written as 15 by 60, then it becomes r. So that makes 1/4 hour. Now we are all geared up to solve it. What is formula for acceleration? Okay, hold on. I have prepared a list of formula which I can show. So one among this formula you have to use, right? Tell me which formula. First, so actually it is v equal to v0 plus at, but here I can write a equal to change in velocity v minus v0 divided by time taken t, right? Therefore a equal to 45 minus 5 divided by 1 by 4. Therefore acceleration equal to 40 into 4 by 1. There is a trap here. Denominator's denominator goes in numerator. Okay, unit of this was kilometer per hour and divided by r. So unit of this becomes kilometer per hour square. Therefore acceleration equal to 160 kilometer per hour square. Okay, sir? Okay, now fifth sum. As I'm writing, you should start solving. A vehicle with uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square starts from rest and moves for 10 seconds. Uh, okay, find distance travel. I'm keeping this list in front of you for your convenience. Okay, answer is 100 meter. Just give it a thought. Okay, 200 meter. Take your own time without panicking. Solve it. It is not necessary that your answer should match with the rest of the class, and it is perfectly all right to make mistakes. 100. Okay. Okay. Now, given. What is given? What happened? I got lost. My data is over. Make me the host, please. Make me the host, please. Who is the host? Okay, I became the host automatically. Okay, my connection was interrupted. Am I sharing my notebook pages with you? No. Now, say yes. Yes or no? I shared my desktop. Zoom has gone crazy today. Not yet? Okay, never mind. ये कट गया ऐसा कैसा? Okay, my data is out. If I'm audible, I'll take some time to join because my data is out. Okay, so do you understand what was the moral of the story here? Given the facts that it is uniform acceleration, you came to know that out of these three one should work. Then you have to find distance traveled, so this formula cannot work because d is not mentioned in it. Can this formula work? Yes, because you are given initial velocity, time and acceleration. Will this third formula work? Distance is given in it, but final velocity is not given, no, so we cannot use it. It can be a long way out. Can we use this zeroth formula? Absolutely. This is bigger no, because this is for uniform velocity, and you put down the values, you get the answer. Fine, sir. Okay. Mm, one more. This is which number now? Sixth one. Initial velocity of a vehicle is 10 meter per second. It accelerates and velocity becomes 30 meter per second. Okay. Find distance traveled in 2 seconds. (40 meter). Okay, one of the answer. Are you given acceleration here? Yes. How? Acceleration is 10 meter per second square, but we have to find distance. What's the answer? Okay. Now see here, V0 is given as 10 meter per second. Velocity becomes 30 meter per second. In what time? 2 second. What you have to find? Distance. Do we know the formula? D equal to V0 plus V by 2 into T, because D equal to V average into time. So this is 10 plus 30 divided by 2 into T. T is 2. So D equal to 40 meter. ओके सर, अभी आपको क्या बोला कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट वाज ट्रैवलिंग विद द स्पीड 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड, it was accelerating and in 2 seconds it becomes 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो इन 2 सेकंड के दौरान कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया? Find distance traveled. Okay, now this makes better sense. स्पीड इनिशियली था 10 to 30 बनने में 2 सेकंड लगा. डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रैवल किया? So it is this V0 plus V by 2 into T. V average, how do you find when it is in uniform acceleration? Yesterday we had a discussion, initial value plus final value divided by 2. So this will give me average velocity into time, because you can't take 10 nor you can take 30. So on an average, what is the speed? 10 plus 30 by 2. That's what we did here. Multiply with time. Answer is 40 meter. Understood? At any moment now connection will be lost. I'll be sending these pages as homework which you have to write. Okay sir? Say okay. सब कुछ सिखाना पड़ता है. Okay. So I'm saying goodbye to you. You have any question, any query? No. Okay, fine. Over and out.